Hello, I'm Stacy, and I would like to welcome you to Reliable Lien Search. We provide title companies and attorneys with the support services needed to conduct their real estate transactions in a timely and efficient manner. Our team, which includes licensed title agents and real estate paralegals, understands firsthand the importance of accurate and reliable reports. We have set the industry standard by providing the most informative, guaranteed, and quickest services, which include municipal lien search reports, HOA estoppels, permit and code violation closing solutions, and property surveys in the state of Florida. The About Us page will tell you a little more about our company and let you meet our staff. You can find further information regarding all our services, prices, and terms using the service link. The support link will have other information like turnaround times and municipal phone numbers. If you would like to place an order, please fill out the new client registration form and we will activate an online account for you where you will be able to place requests, monitor, and even download your report once completed. We are so sure that you will be satisfied with our service, reliability, and product. We will waive our fees on your first municipal lien search. It's our pleasure to be of service to you. We invite you to contact us and experience the reliable difference.